In that awareness, you begin to choose. I like that blue shirt better than what I'm wearing. Right? I like that the way that your hair is done better than mine. Right? You're always comparing, judging, evaluating, which is choice, and to be aware without choice. You understand? Will you, as we are talking, will you do all this? Or you're just listening to words? If we are doing this, then you begin to discover awareness is entirely different from concentration. Concentration implies focusing all thought on a particular subject, on a particular page, on a particular word, which implies cutting off all other thoughts, building a resistance to every other thought, which then becomes narrow, limited, right? So concentration is limited. But you have to concentrate when you are doing something, washing dishes. You have to wash the dishes very carefully. The right kind of soap, right kind of water, you know, all this. And awareness without choice, which means without concentration. To be aware of all this without judging, evaluating, condemning, comparing. And from that, move, which is attention, right? Which is natural. That is, I want to listen to this story you're telling me. Very exciting thriller. And I listen to you very carefully. Or you're telling me something very, very serious. And I'm so eager, so attentive to understand what you're saying. I understand what I'm thinking about, that's irrelevant. But I'm tremendously concerned with what you are saying. Therefore, I'm all attention, all my nerves, my whole being say, what are you talking about? I want to understand. In that attention, there is no me, right? I get it? When there is this tremendous attention, which means all your energy is given to understand what you are saying, I'm not thinking about myself. Therefore, there is no center in me that says I must attend. Right? I wonder if you get it.